Hello there everybody and welcome back to week 2 of the CRM Analytics Workout Wednesday challenges. Today we are going to have a look at the challenge called Simple Discount Dashboard. It builds up on top of the output of the first challenge, but to make things easier and not assuming you have done the challenge of week 1, we'll start from the dataset that is provided in the introduction. When you click on the link, you will be redirected to the data.world URL where you can download the output from the previous challenge. So here in the top right, you can go ahead and click download. A little CSV should be downloaded locally on your computer. There we go, it got downloaded to my local computer. So we see absolute discount, billing country, close date here, list price, opportunity type, and so on and so on. So let's have a look at the actual challenge. Here in the requirements, they say title with Workout Wednesday logo. So it becomes clear that we will be making a dashboard. Alright, let's head to our Salesforce environment. Here I am in my Analytics Studio. If you're not there, from your homepage, click on the top left of your app launcher and then proceed to Analytics Studio. So the very first thing we will do is uploading the provided dataset. When you're in Analytics Studio, in the top right, you can click Create. Then you will find Dataset. We will, for challenge 2, upload the CSV as discussed. I will head to my downloads, select the file, click open, click next. Here we will get a little preview of what's going on. Don't bother too much. Here we have this nice preview just to do a check how things are being loaded. Bottom line, you want to see what your dimensions are dimensions and that your metrics are loaded as numeric. So I'm gonna hit upload file. This can take from a few seconds up to a few minutes depending on how big your file really is. There you go. This visual cue here indicates that my dataset has been uploaded, and I now assume that if I go to browse datasets, here in the top I see my Workout Wednesday 2023 Challenge 2 data. Alright, we're going to make a dashboard. How do you start a dashboard? When you're in datasets, you can just click on wow. This is the Explorer environment. When you immediately want to go to a dashboard, you can click on the scissor, click the designer, and there we go. Now we are in dashboard mode and we can go ahead and get started. Let's see, let's grab the challenge title as our dashboard name. So here you can just double click, paste your title, hit enter. On the top right, you can already go and save your dashboard. I won't be sharing this with anyone, so for now I will share this to my private app. So far, so good. Then, requirements. Give it a title with the Workout Wednesday logo. I personally had problems downloading the image, so I will download the image immediately from their website. There you go. Go back, click on the image, click on Browse Files, double check whether we select the right file, click Open, and there you go. Now, it doesn't size within the specified range of the widget, so if you want to have that, you can select the widget, go to the right side, and say stretch, and then it will stretch according to the space you have given the little logo. We're not going to make it too big. This will do for now. Then secondly, we need to have a title. I suggest that we just grab the same title, click copy, and then we head to the left side and look for the text widget. Click, grab, drag it on your dashboard. I'm gonna make this smaller after all. I'm gonna drag this along the sides. I'm gonna paste my text in there, click in here, and there you go. Add filter to filter all charts by year. Rename the filter to select year. From the left side, we can grab the filter widget. Gonna click on the widget, select the date set we need, look for the close date here. We're gonna click create. Finding where to rename it might be a little bit difficult in the beginning, but where you want to look is manage global filter better. Click on the little pencil here, and there you can say, please select year, double point, click apply, and that's what it should be called. Oh, no, sorry, it should be called select year. So here we go again, click on your widget, manage global filters, click on the pencil, and then make it select year. Boom. All right, don't forget to save. Once in a while there is no autosave. Next up, make a bar chart showing the absolute discount per country per opportunity type. So they already give away how it should look like. So we see the country names on the rows, the opportunity type on the columns, and absolute discount as the metric. All right, here we go. We grab the widget from the left, click on chart. What we want to make is a bar chart. So on the rows, on the bars, we want to have the billing country. There we go. On the columns, we want to have another dimension. So we're going to fill in trellis the opportunity type. Click OK. There we go. By default, the count of rows are selected. We don't want to have that. We want to have the absolute discount. So we add the absolute discount. I'm going to remove count of rows, and I'm going to click done just to see how this looks like. We need to add a chart title. The chart title in this case is absolute discount by country and opportunity. All right, let's do that. Then apply a custom chart color, 35, 61, 77. I'm gonna hit Command C, Control C if you're on Windows. When you hit your bar chart widget, you can scroll down. You will find conditional formatting. You will find your measure, and here we can hit custom, and there I should be able to paste my custom color, hit save again, and yeah, so far so good. Remove the excess titles. So the excess titles, I believe the sum of absolute discount, we want to get rid of that. So if you go to the right side, we're talking about our x-axis. So this little title here, nope, it's the x-axis, sorry. This little title there should go back one more time to the y-axis. Deselect show title, hit save, and that's it. We've done this, remove the legends. Okay, so here we are on the right side, hit legend, deselect show legend, hit save, done. All numbers should be formatted as a currency. Click on the widget, sum of absolute discount, formatted numbers, and here we can say we want to make it a currency. Click update, there you go. We have it nicely rounded to $. And that's what I have in the graph here as well. I forgot something, remove the grid lines. They can be a little bit tricky, but removing the trick lines can be found under trellis. Where are you? Here you are, trellis, and then we deselect show grid lines and they're gone. Then another bar chart showing the absolute discount by product category / product name. We want to sort by the product category and the product name. And then we have these bunch of custom colors we want to attribute to it. Let's do that. First one is product category. All right. We grab the bar chart widget, click on chart. We say we want to have the absolute discount. We say we want to have the product family. So they say sort by product family. I understand that they want to see this alphabetically. So yeah, that's the default sort that we see here. So I'm gonna click done. Make this a little bit larger, and I'm going to make the same graph once again, but this time for the product name. So I'm gonna hit the chart, Ctrl Z, Ctrl V, as easy as that. I'm gonna add it here, click on my widget, and I'm gonna replace the bars, this time not the product family, but the product name. And once again, they are nicely sorted alphabetically. As we can see from the output, for the second graph, we need to have both in our widget. So once more, we go into our widget. We're gonna click on the bar, look for the product family, and we see that he puts product family after product name. So we're gonna grab product family, drag it up, and hit update. And then last but not least, color both charts per product category. All right, we're going to apply the colors. We're going to click on our widget, scroll down to conditional formatting, where we can choose to color code the values of product family. We're going to pick a value. The first one is accessories. Then we can click on the required color they want us to fill in, and I'm going to hit custom. I don't know what HSV is, but what I do know is I want to fill in RGB. So I'm going to just copy all of this, paste it all in there, like this, boom, and I have my first color. Now for the second color, I go to conditional formatting again, and as you can see, I have my second color attributed. I'm gonna click pick values once again, and now we'll do it 3 more times. Now for the following graph, you can do that once again. I'm gonna click on the widget. Okay, we see that all the titles have been removed from the axis in this widget and in this widget. So to conclude, I'm gonna hit here. I'm gonna go to my y-axis, deselect show title, deselect, click x-axis, deselect show axis, show title here, and again here, x-axis, deselect show title, x-axis, deselect show title. This kinda looks like it. Okay, now I see that the title was not discount overview dashboard. Let's change that. So I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger. Discount overview dashboard. Okay, I've put the filter on the right side, so I'm gonna give it some space, drag the filter to the right side, and when I now make my logo a little bit bigger, we have the dashboard of this week. All right, it looks that's it for this week, guys. See you next week.